So in this tutorial, we're going to be focusing on 5 simple steps. The first step is to head over to your Google Chrome browser, come over to this very platform. You're going to see ShareSale. You have to search for sharesale.com. This is the website here. You have to make sure that your account is registered as an affiliate. All right, remember, getting the approval is not really easy, so you can easily use your website to get approval when registering. All you need to do is simply click on this very button right here. This very button is going to help you to create your account. So on this session, you have to put in your account details, your full name, your email address, your phone number. They are going to verify your account. If your account is qualified to get approval, then they're going to simply approve you. Okay, so for you to get approval, you have to provide at least one platform where you can easily promote this product. Okay, so that's the secret of getting ShareSale approval. Alright, so if you want to get approval, you have to make sure you have at least one platform where you can easily showcase to them that this is where you're going to promote your link. Okay, so you can't just come up on ShareSale and create your account and expect them to approve. You know, it's not going to work that way. That's why you see a lot of people getting declined, all right, whenever they submit their application. But if you want this to work for you, make sure you have at least one platform. It's either you have a website, blog, or you have huge following on your social media handle like your YouTube, your Facebook, Instagram. Okay, so if you have all of this in place, you have to go ahead and apply. All right, and if you find it difficult to get approval, join us on a Telegram channel and chat me up from there. I'm going to simply assist you. So once your account is approved, the next thing you're going to do is to come over to your account here, and this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Okay, and the second step is to simply go ahead and apply. You have to come to your merchant section, which is this section. You click on search for merchant. Okay, search for merchant. If you click on the search for merchant section, you're gonna see a lot of categories, and the next thing you're gonna do right now is simply select search. Then you search for per lead. Let's say per lead. Okay, so if you click on per lead, click on this go button, and it's gonna simply refresh the search. All you need to do is simply go ahead and apply for all of this. You can see this one is already approved. I can easily get the link and promote. Okay, you can simply go ahead and click on this get link. So if you click on this get link button, it's going to take you to this section where you can easily copy this link. Let's see what this product is all about, then come back to this next section, upload it here, then open it. You can see the product here. So this is a good product to promote based on your niche. Okay, remember, you're going to simply focus on your niche. All right, the third step is to find a trending keyword that matches with what we are promoting. Okay, so you have to simply head over to this section right here. You can see this is Google's trend right here. You have to simply come over to your Google trend, then select any country you want to go for. You can see this is Nigeria selected already, and this is past 12 months. We're going to simply customize all of this. Okay, so it doesn't really matter if the person is coming from United States or Nigeria. This is not about CPM. So search for United States. Let's say if you want to search for United States, or better still, let's stick with Nigeria. Then click on this section that says months. Let's say past 7 days or past 30 days. Let's refresh it. You can see all the things that are trending on this platform. Okay, so most of them are basically this is football. We don't really like that. So come to this section that says category. Then you click on under category, go to business. Right here, let's click on this dollar stuff, copy it. Simply go over to your Google Chrome browser. Then you have to simply type in that very keyword that is trending. Type in dollar. You can see dollar to naira prediction, dollar rate in Nigeria. You can easily use any of these keywords to write your content. Okay, so if you want to go for dollar to naira predictions today, you have to simply use this very strategy. Then come over to the next step, which is to generate content on this very section. Okay, so the first step is to simply come over to this AI tool that's going to help us to generate our content. Okay, remember, we have a content and we have to make sure we use this content to grab people's attention. This is the command we are going to give Gemini. Okay, so we set it here, write a detailed article on dollar to naira prediction today. Click on this update. So you can see right here, it's generating the article for us. Okay, so this is the article. It has already generated the article. All you need to do is simply copy this article from here. Okay, go to your website blog. So you have to simply come over to your website. I believe you have your website blog already. If you don't have one, you can go ahead and contact a developer that will do that for you, or you join us on our Telegram channel and chat me up from there. Okay, then click on add new post. You have to scroll down, then you have to paste the content here. Okay, so this is the content. So though this topic is not really what was ranking on Google, we're going to simply customize that because this is what the AI gave us. Okay, so we're going to simply paste it here. Then you come back here. Remember, the topic we're trying to rank for was just dollar to naira prediction. Okay, dollar to naira prediction. Okay, so we're going to simply remove this one. Then you have to make sure you customize all of this. Okay, like you have to make sure you go through it write all of them, then make sure it sounds like a normal human being writing it. Okay, so even if you're using AI, you have to make sure you customize it by yourself. Remove all the unnecessary repetition of words that AI normally does. All right, so how do you now add the link after customizing the blog post? You have to simply head over to your website. This is the classic editor. Then you highlight the word you want to highlight. For instance, this is where I want to add the link. Then I'm going to simply select this. Then I paste the link here. Then paste the link here. The fifth step is to simply promote this very post. Okay, so once you publish this post on your website, make sure you share it on your social media handle to get the first ever traffic, okay, on your blog. So if you can get your blog indexed, then do this consistently with not just one keyword, then you see yourself getting a lot of traffic and people registering with your link. Okay, so this very strategy works so well, and you can do this no matter where you're watching from. Remember, you have to get your website developed, get your share account approved. And if you have any question on this, I would like you to drop it down in the comment section. If you have anything bothering you, click the link in the video description and join us on our Telegram channel. I'm gonna be there to reply you. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video.
Build, grow, earn. Mr. John Francis.